What's up, Adrenaline Squad? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm at my friend's house. He's right here. Hey, what's up? And yeah, he's Ayan from DPS, and yeah, we've been friends since what, third grade. Time. Outside, my friend's house, he's right there, and there's some work going on there. And yeah, we're just waiting for the work to finish. Right, Ayan? Yeah. We're going in, and it's a surprise for all of you and me too.
Surprise!
So guys, I'm in a Porsche Carrera S, and yeah, I'm shocked. Nothing to say there. And B-roll coming up. So we got Ayan here, we got a Porsche here, we have a Goldwing. If you think the video is over, गलत हो तुम, because video अभी भी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Filmy dialogue, no, sorry, गलती से आ गया. Oh, never mind. Last Sunday I went to UB City, and I went cycling, and then Sundays at UB City is pretty amazing in Bangalore, especially for us petrol heads. We love going to UB City on Sundays. I mean, why not? If you want to know why, stick with me till the end of the video, or just look at it.
I wanna leave this town, see the world with you. Only angry looks and frowns. I don't care when it's us two. There's a towns and a road cafes, boots upon the dash. Cross the roads towards LA. Forget about the past. Let's leave in the morning.
Nice car.
Right hand on yours. Once the radio cuts out, what's wrong with thoughts? Let's leave in the morning. We'll be on the interstate. Life around is boring. Let's just get away. Let's leave in the morning. We'll be on the interstate. Life around is boring. Let's just get away.
So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Just dab it, and I'll see you in another video. Till then, subscribe. Just dab it. Stay safe. Bye bye.